Morgan, GE, whichever one you go by. This is Courtney Richardson here at the Tameron Honda, Hoover, Alabama. It's a little hot out here. Happy Friday to you. Just reaching out to you to let you know that I received some information about an online inquiry that you submitted for a 2019 Honda Accord Hybrid. And I actually do have one of those vehicles right here on my lot, loaded down with features. You do get the Honda Sensing Suite, which houses adaptive cruise, your lane keep assist, the road departure mitigation, for collision braking, the repeat reverse camera standard, and on the hybrid mode, you're gonna be almost 50 miles to the gallon. That's just crazy. Only Honda Hybrid Accord does that. So what I need you to do at your earliest convenience, if you are interested in this vehicle and would like to set some time aside to come by, see all the features, the LED running lights, see how the Apple CarPlay Android Auto works, see what Tameron Honda has to offer, just give me a call at 205-261-8732, where I guarantee when you make it in to see me, you're absolutely going to love the way you're treated.